Okay, folks. Well, it's been a couple days since we checked on the cured meat for the Lonzino, and I was looking at it earlier today, and I was thinking it was looking like it would cure it up a little faster than I thought it was. So we're going to go on out there and take a look at it. We're going to weigh it and see if we're at our at the right weight. Okay, so let's head on out. All right, so here we are. So. So we started here on the 20th, and it's now November 12th. So we got about 23 days, and we lost, I'm guessing it's going to be about 264 grams, which is what we weighed. So let's see what the final weight is. So 397, as you guys saw in the other video, 397. So we went from 661, we're going to take it down to 397. So let's weigh it, and we'll see here. So put that on there. 391. Okay, so we're a little bit lower than 397, so a little lighter. So that's like 11 grams, 10, 11 grams a day that this thing has been curing out, which is pretty good in a refrigerator. So I'm pretty excited about this. So this is a Lonzino. This is half of a pork loin right here. The other one is right here. So we can weigh this guy, and its weight is 435. And we're right there, 432. So both these guys are ready to eat. So let's take one of these inside and slice it and see what we got. Okay, we're gonna take this inside here. Okay, so we're gonna take this netting off, and we're gonna see this thing smells pretty good. You can see the all of the herbs and the pepper is on here. It's looking really nice. Yep, it smells really good. I just want to show you also the firmness of it. I mean, it's got some squishy, but of course the ends are much more done. And so we're gonna slice this up and get to it. Okay, moment of truth. This is pretty exciting. The fact that this thing was hanging for 22 days, 23 days is pretty good. Here we are. That is a Lonzino, folks. So, slice this nice and thin. Let's give it a try. Well, nailed it. It's pretty good. It's got some little mild salt, nice little background heat with the peppers, some garlic in here. There's the pepper and some of the other spices. They're just kicking in really nice. So I'm gonna slice some of this up and put on some crackers and enjoy myself. So this is the final of the two. This is the end of the fourth video, from beginning to the end, from the Lomo to the Lonzino. And I hope you guys learned something and hope you liked it. So if you did, click the button down below, hit subscribe, hit like, leave me some feedback, tell me what you liked. Tell me what you didn't like. Try and make it better. Anyways, some Lonzino, a very easy cut and a very delicious cut. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.